The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is making headlines with its upcoming launch, featuring some exciting specifications. This mid-range smartphone is expected to showcase a 6.5-inch OLED display, providing full HD+ resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means users can expect vibrant and fluid visuals. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 5G is anticipated to be powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, along with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 25W fast charging. This combination should offer a balance of performance and long-lasting battery life. The device is likely to be available with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, providing ample space for apps and media. In terms of camera setup, it may continue with the configuration from its predecessor, the Galaxy A54, which includes a triple camera array. This setup is expected to feature a 32-megapixel front camera and a combination of a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor at the back, promising versatile photography options. The Galaxy A55 5G is also expected to come in a range of colors, including Awesome Ice Blue, Awesome Lilac, and Awesome Navy Blue, offering users a variety of stylish choices. With its recent certifications from Bluetooth SIG and TÜV Rheinland, the launch of the Galaxy A55 5G seems imminent, making it a potentially strong contender in the mid-range smartphone segment.